internets. We got more responses from you. We like it when you write to us.
Our first response actually comes from Lindsay.
Lindsay was my co-star in our take on the Diamonds Are Forever ads, and as you may remember, she is an opera singer. Lindsay is responding to our episode about autoloading sounds. If I wanted your website to make noise, I would lick my finger and rub it across the screen.
Don't use autoloading sounds on your website.
She writes, I agree that autoloading is totally invasive, but I do like it when musicians autoload their own music on their websites. So I was just wondering, is that poor netiquette as well?
And the answer is yes.
Yes.
It's not just that autoloading sounds are annoying and tacky.
It also turns out that they actually make web browsing harder for people who can't see.
A lot of visually impaired people use screen readers which speak website text to them. And when a sound loads at the same time, it sounds like this.
Entering window Firefox. Opera soprano Deborah Voigt. Deborah Voigt. Opera's preeminent dramatic soprano. Tilde enter site tilde. Edit text.
It's hard to make out what's going on and you don't enjoy the singer as much.
Good web design standards say the sound shouldn't load on their own without user input.
Of course, some sounds just shouldn't load at all.
We not? No, that's not what we're talking about.
Ladies and gentle furries, I give you the worst autoloading sound on the internet.
Everyone, I'm sorry. Cover your ears now.
Dear Mr. Jesus, I just had to write to you. Something really scared me when I saw it on the news. A story about a little girl beaten black and blue. Jesus, thought I'd take this right to you.
Mr. Jesus, don't let them autoload sounds to your children. Okay, thanks.
Dear Mr. Jesus, I don't understand why they took her mom and dad away. I know that they don't mean to hit with wild and angry hands. Tell them just how big they are, I pray. Please don't let them hurt your children. We need love and shelter from the storm. Please don't let them hurt your children. Won't you keep us safe and warm? Mr. Jesus, please tell me what to do. And please don't tell my daddy, but my mommy hits me too. Please don't let them hurt your children. We need love and shelter from the storm. Please don't let them hurt your children. Won't you keep us safe and
Please don't let them hurt your children. They need love and shelter from the storm. Please don't let them hurt your children.
Won't you keep us safe and warm?
Come to daddy, come to daddy.